Hola amigos, welcome to my channel Sancho's Vlogs to the 4th episode of my Singapore travel diaries. Do watch the previous episodes before watching this. The link is in the description below, or you can just find it in the top right corner. Actually, day 5 was supposed to be exclusively for shopping, but we didn't want to miss Madame Tussauds, and our experience was so good that it was completely worth our time. Madame Tussauds is located in Sentosa Island and it is open from 11 in the morning till 6 in the evening. Madame Tussauds has wax figurines of many celebrities from around the world and from various fields, and it also has many wax figurines of famous Indian celebrities. There is a Marvel themed 4D theatre which shows a short movie of about 15 minutes. Do watch that. We had a great time in Madame Tussauds and our next destination is Bugis Street. Bugis Street is the ultimate destination for street shopping where you can get goods for as low as $1. You get to buy souvenirs, chocolates, clothing, makeup, handbags, beauty services and whatnot. The list just keeps going on. Also, there are many local delicacies here, so do try them. So finally our day of departure has come. We checked out from the hotel in the morning and headed straight to Jewel Changi Airport, which is right beside the terminals of the airport. We booked a night flight so we get enough amount of time to roam around Jewel Changi as it is one of the most famous tourist spot in Singapore. Jewel Changi Airport is the world's best airport and it is rightly said so. Remember, you have to come to Jewel Changi Park before you check in. Yes, the buildings of the departure terminal and Jewel Changi is completely different. So once if you check in, you cannot come back here. Jewel Changi is basically like a mall with so many designer outlets, cafes and restaurants. It also has many fun activities to kill your time. There is a cinema complex in Jewel Changi and it is absolutely free. Yes, you heard me right. After touring Jewel Changi, we came to our terminal to do the check-in and the process was really smooth. After completing the security check, you will find duty-free stores of various products and brands, and this is the final destination to complete your shopping experience. You will also get great deals on top-notch brands. With heavy heart, we had to say goodbye to Singapore, but thank you so much for giving us the best memories of our lifetime. We would definitely love to go to Singapore again to explore the unexplored. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share my video and leave your feedback in the comments below. My next episode is going to be about planning your trip to Singapore. I will be sharing with you many useful and important tips which will make your experience even better. Till then, take care. Bye bye.